Good morning, I hope you're well. Today I'm going on a short trip from Benitechel to the Cumbre del Sol. I first come up here maybe 20 years ago, and it's changed so much. All the new buildings over that time, it's turned into a massive massive town. There's two beaches up here where nudists or naturists, whichever you want to call them, can go and let it all hang out. And if you're getting excited, I'm not going to these beaches today, and it's not warm enough anyway. This is just one of the views of the ocean from up here, and quite honestly it takes your breath away. In the distance you can see Calpe Rock. Stop off here and have a cup of coffee. On the way back down, I took these videos of the surrounding area just to give you a impression of how high up we are. If you enjoyed this, I hope you give me a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. And if you reached this far, good on you.